Results shown are not typical. Please see our income disclosure statement at the link provided. Hi, this is Karen on behalf of Matt Lloyd and MOBE, and today we're going to call Karen, who is a titanium consultant and has earned $1,250. Let's go ahead and give her a call.
Hello?
Hi, is this Karen?
Hi, yes, this is Karen.
Hi,
How are
Karen.
you?
I'm good. This is Karen calling on behalf of Matt Lloyd and MOBE. It's nice to talk to you.
Great to talk to you.
It's always fun to talk to another Karen.
Yeah. Great to have the same name.
Yes, absolutely. I am so excited. You have earned $1,250.
Yes.
Silver commission. Tell me a little bit about this sale and how it came about.
Right, so it was from Brisbane, IMF.
Okay.
And yeah, so it was the month of May for the Brisbane event. And yeah, I was learning a lot, trying to set up since last March. And when I went on running for the month of April, that's when I got the registration for Brisbane, or about almost 50 attendees.
Wow, good job.
Yes. Yeah, but of course I would like to thank Chan Van Huyen, who's helping me a lot. So yeah, he did a great job on telling me lots of stuff and what to do, what not to do, especially with Facebook ads.
Yes. He's a good mentor.
Yes. I would love to meet him next month in June because I'll be attending the Supercharge.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah.
Okay, awesome. So you've been promoting the free workshops, and then, of course, they go to the Home Business Summit, and then this person upgraded. Were you in contact? Did you know that they were going to be doing this, or did this come as a surprise?
Yeah, I already knew because when they enrolled for the HBS, I can see it in the back end, and then that's when I started messaging them, congratulating them. Yeah.
Good. Okay, so you had a good contact with this person. Do you think that following up helped increase this conversion?
Oh, yes, definitely. Definitely. Since I tried to message them, and really, a few of them would actually send you back like a message saying thank you, I'm excited to attend, I'm excited to be there, and others are. So for those who are quite hesitant, you can actually engage in them, and then at least they feel comfortable, you know, that they have someone they can talk to.
Right. Very true. And they can see that you're a real person and not just an automated email coming through, right?
That's true. That's true.
Okay. Tell me a little bit about yourself and how you found MOBE and how your journey's been so far.
Yes. I used to be a flight attendant.
Okay.
For a Middle Eastern airline, like almost a decade.
Okay.
And then when we migrated, me and my husband, we migrated to Australia. It was more of an informed decision that I would definitely stop flying because, you know, it's like moving forward, planning for a family, having kids. So, and he's also traveling. So that's when I started to think about having something online, and I bumped into MOBE when there was this Melbourne IMF, and from there, that's it.
Okay, so you went to the free workshop yourself then?
I went to the HBS, that's correct, and then after the HBS, yes, and then I upgraded to titanium.
Okay.
Yeah.
How was that decision like for you about becoming a titanium?
It was a bit scary, to be honest.
Right?
But I was thinking that during the event, you know, when they say about proper positioning, I was trying to put my one foot forward and trying to test the water at the same time. But also the speaker, Mr. Ken, he was very good at giving us, the proper mindset. Definitely, you have to understand why you are doing this, and that's when he asked, like, you have to think of your big why in the first place, because when you start doing this with MOBE, there's gonna be it's not gonna be an easy ride, that's for sure. But at least at least you have your why, and then you can gain back your focus and just do it.
Very true. Okay. And as a titanium consultant, you're eligible to earn another $3,300. So this might not be over. You may have more coming in for this one sale.
I'm quite excited.
That's good potential there. And what are your goals, short-term and long-term, for MOBE, for your business?
Definitely, I would be upgrading myself once I get the hang of it. And also, one of the reasons why I joined MOBE of learning online marketing is also to be able to put this into action with some of my personal ventures, I would say.
Right. Okay, cool. And any advice you'd like to share?
For those who are starting out, or for those who are still thinking about it, as what I've said, mindset is very important, and you have to know why you're actually doing this. And I would say it's definitely hard work, focus, and lots of persistence. But I mean, anywhere or any other investment, any other businesses, there's always a risk. So you just have to keep in mind, as long as you know more, you would be able to minimize your how would you say, mistakes and losses. So yeah, keep it up. You have to keep on attending events, listening to webinars. Then you will learn more. Ask your colleagues. Definitely, the MOBE community, it was very helpful for me as well. So all these resources, you have to engage in them.
Yeah, very true. Is there anything else you'd like to share?
No, I think that's it. Thank you so much, Mo, for this opportunity. Yeah, definitely. And thanks once again to Chan.
Well, we're excited for you. Can't wait to see what you do in the future. So keep up the good work.
Thank you, Karen.
You're welcome. It's nice to talk to you. Have a wonderful day.
You too. Have a great day.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Results shown are not typical. Please see our income disclosure statement at the link provided.